The 2022 FIFA World Cup kicks off in Qatar on November the 20th. From stadium construction to public transportation, from screen equipment to daily necessities, a Chinese team is shining at the Qatar World Cup, despite the absence of the Chinese football team. From flags to cheering horns and whistles, from footballs to jerseys and scarves, Yiwu, in China's Zhejiang province, makes almost 70% of the Qatar World Cup-related products. Yiwu, the world's largest wholesale market, is a made-in-China football palace, Europe 1 reported.
60% he will use the China t-shirt and bag. The product of is good quality of China. The more people coming, he like in the love of China.
China Railway Construction Corporation Limited (CRCC) was picked as the main contractor for Qatar's Lusail Stadium. It is the largest stadium in Qatar and can hold 92,000 spectators. China Gezhouba Group Corporation (CGGC) has helped to build the Water Strategic Mega Reservoirs project in Qatar, which is regarded as the world's largest drinking water storage tank. A representative of LED Intelligent Manufacturing in China, Analamin, and the famous international enterprise Daktronics jointly provide LED displays for the Qatar World Cup. Chinese high-tech enterprise Hisense has launched an official TV series for the 2022 World Cup using its own chips. China's China Express opened a World Cup shipping line in Yiwu. By this shipping route, merchandise made in Yiwu can travel from Ningbo and Shanghai ports to Qatar's Hamad port in 20 to 25 days. Chinese bus makers Jinlong and Yutong have received orders for 1,815 and 1,002 vehicles respectively for the Qatar World Cup. The movement of people during the World Cup will be serviced by these Chinese buses. Shanghai GL Environmental Technology Company is providing sewage treatment solutions for the World Cup to be used in communities. Qatar purchased intelligent water-saving irrigation system driven by complementary wind solar energy technology services from the College of Resources and Environment of Ningxia University, spending $1.264 billion on the greening project. Chinese brands are the biggest spending sponsors at the 2022 Qatar World Cup. Wanda Group, Vivo, Mengniu and Hisense spent $1.395 billion on the competition, surpassing the $1.1 billion spent by U.S. companies. Jingjing and Sihai, a pair of giant pandas from China, were presented to the public at the Panda House in Qatar on November the 17th. It is the first time a giant panda has arrived in the Middle East, and the pair will stay in Qatar for 15 years. On the stage of the Qatar World Cup 2022, these Chinese elements can be seen everywhere, showing that China is not only not absent from the World Cup, but shining at the World Cup in another way.